Hi, my name is Complex Waveform. Today I'll show you how to set up Sony DualSense controller in Reaper DAW for designing sounds for haptic feedback, or check how your sounds will play in-game through the built-in tactile transducers. For this, you don't need any access to the PS5 dev kit or any complex hardware setup. All you need is to have a retail version of the PS5 controller and USB Type-C cable. First, go to the audio device settings in Reaper and change the audio system driver to Windows Audio Session API. For the output device, choose wireless controller. It is important to change the number of the output channels to 4, as Windows recognizes DualSense as a 4-channel audio interface, where channels 1 and 2 are stereo output through 3.5mm jack, and channels 3 and 4 are left and right tactile transducers. Next, click an I/O button on a master track or any other submix that you want to monitor through the controller, and add new hardware output. Select outputs 3 and 4. Now you're all set. Here's a little demonstration of this effect in action. I've used kick samples that I created using Eurorack modular synthesizer. I'll leave a link to this sample pack in the description below. Here's how it sounds through the regular speakers. And here how it sounds through the controller. The most cool part is that the haptic signal is stereo, so panning or feeding different signals to each channel can create an interesting tactile effect. From my experience, even DualSense's transducers can play audio from 25 Hz up to 650 Hz. It's better to design sounds within a range between 40 and 500 Hz, where the playback is most linear. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and have a great and productive day.